Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Thursday, November 21st, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra,
and you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Throwback Thursday.
You are my fire.
Rocco, I sent you the script last night. You know what? Just cut to the announcements. I want it that way.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Tell me why.
I never wanna hear you say,
I want